We have our shoes on. We're gonna do skincare. Listen, y'all, I ain't trying to hold y'all long, so literally everything is going to be sped up. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. We're doing skincare, okay? Okay, so we're moving on to makeup now. I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my face, and while that's it, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to actually do another, although the Milk is great, I'm gonna also use the Becca primer because I let the Milk dry down. We're gonna put the Becca on too. Okay, I'm gonna color correct and set my face. While this is drying down, do my shade concealer on top of it. Not on top of it, but on it to help it blend better. This is NARS shade Dark 1 Cafe. Alright, let's move on. We're using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is the bomb, okay? It's my shade is 7W1 Deep Spice. I thoroughly enjoy this Estee Lauder. They it definitely stay in place. I do highly suggest that you still do like the under skin prep, and it actually will do what it needs to be done. But I like this. This is my go-to foundation for show, for show, for show, for show, for show. As this dries down, right before I blend it out, I'm gonna add a little bit of my my winter shade concealer, just so I don't want a super bright under eye. I'm trying to go like natural but chic, you feel me? But we on our way. Okay, so now I'm just adding the extra my shade concealer to the points that I put concealer at, and we're gonna blend this thing out. Just let it dry down a little bit more and blend it out. Alright, that's all blended out. Time to set. We're setting under eyes first. So I'm finishing the last of the powder, and then I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush to dust it all away, cause I don't really bake. brush. Alright, so our base is done. I'm gonna spray it with the matte finish NYX from NYX. Woo! Alright, let's move on to eyes. I'm using the Morphe palette per usual. It's the Bronze Babe 9B. And it's all neutrals for sure. So let me figure out what I'm about to do and I'll be back. Okay, I think I did a little razzle dazzle on the other side. Dang, did I just go in the wrong color? I think so. So I did a little bit of it's called Beach Please on the outer corner, right? Yeah, and then I went inside with Hang 10, that's what it's called. And I put that right here. If y'all can hear the fan, my bad. But it's hot. It's giving very fake cut crease, okay? But this is what I got so far. Alright, mascara. Using the Milk Kush mascara. This is still my like sample size because we aren't buying new mascara until we finish the old mascara. While my mascara dries, I'm going to go contour. You know, OG, triple OG, we hit pot, so it is time to get a new one, but still I rise. Okay, still I rise. I end up going with these ones instead. These ones is cool, but they was too much. I feel like I would wear those when my outfit is like more tamed down, and then these would be like the show, you feel me? I can't be doing both. Lashes are done. I think I'm gonna do hair next. Let's figure out a lip combo before we go though. So I think this is going to be the combo. This is what I think. Let's try and see. This is the lip. What I used was the NYX lip liner, and I think it's off of here now. I think I wrote it down too far. Cocoa. This is Cocoa. This is the crayon case, and this is Clean Kisses lip gloss, and then it's the NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. Yeah, I think this is what we're going with. Let's move on to hair. So I think we're going part down the middle. Two pieces on the side out. Cause listen, I was gonna wand curl my hair, but that's another day, another problem, okay? My hair needs some oils. Let me get my part and stuff together, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm thinking just a little baby so, and then the rest goes back. If you know, you know. I'm kind of like a bone straight girl. So I'm just going to run the flat iron through it just to get some of that little fuzzies out, because I've been going to the gym, and although my hair is still straight, it's kind of, I passed that through too many times. What was I saying? Oh, I've been going to the gym, so although my hair is still straight, you know, it's just not as bone straight as it usually is. You feel me? Let me do this, because talking to y'all, I'm passing this damn flat iron through too many times. So this is the dress. That's not eating it up though. The dress. It's gonna go with this bag, with these shoes. All right, let me go get dressed, and I'll be right back. This is the fragrance that we're gonna be using. It's the YSL Black Opium. Great. We have our shoes on. Here is the bag, and here's our final look. The shoes. Yeah, this is what we got though. I gotta go though, so.